For our ongoing class, we're doing a couple songs in our session in the key of G, and we're going to be coming up with fancy licks and chord melodies for these songs. So we need to kind of know where the notes are in the key of G. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to look at the G scale, just a little bit of the G scale. We're going to start off with a G, right? That's the root of the scale. Where's the G? We just got done doing the C scale. Where's the G that we're going to start at? Right here. So it would be G, A, B, C, D, E. Okay. We got that black note. What is it called? F sharp. We know that this next note is an F, but that ain't going to work. So where's the F sharp? Right here, 5, 6, 7, 8th fret. Did I count that right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th fret. And then, what's the next note? G. So what we did was we connected this G with this G. Let's do it again. And call it out with me. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Now let's do a descending scale. G, F sharp, D, I forgot what it was, C, B, A, and G.